You got it?
Yep.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tacoma SRT5 coming back at you today with an unboxing video. Today, can you just leave that alone for a little bit? Today we've got an M18 Milwaukee drill, and let's see if we can get a part number. $257 value special buy kit. I bought it at homedepot.com. I'm just letting you know where I get my Milwaukee tools from. They seem to have the best deals, and this entire box and the contents of it was $99, including a battery. So that's a pretty good. Here's what's in it before we even open it. Just a drill. I was going to get a 1/4-inch driver, but I thought about it and realized I wouldn't use it much. 2606-21P. Kit includes a compact drill, a 3 amp hour battery, the charger, and a bag. So that's convenient and a really good deal. Usually those batteries are a pretty hefty price, and the chargers alone, I think, I don't know, $50. Thank you, honey. Okay, so I'm going to have my daughter take the camera now. And just keep that on me and the box. On the box. You can back up a little bit so you can see everything. Okay, so fresh out of the mail.
Got it yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it arrived a few days ago, but we haven't opened it yet. So, this is an unboxing video. If you know what's in here, then whatever. But if you enjoy what you're watching, then hey, that's cool too. Everything is in the bag. So let's take a look. See, the bag is sizable and it looks to be easy to carry. Almost like a Dickies material. It's lined with, I don't know, nylon or something. You got your instructions. We're not going to go over them because that would be kind of boring. Instructions for the battery charger, the drill. Here we've got our battery.
Open it.
I'm opening it, honey. Red lithium XC3.0. Let's see the state of charge.
Let me hold it.
1 bar. Well, we'll see how that works out. We've got a Milwaukee charger.
What's that?
This is the charger for the battery.
Oh.
The battery.
Is that?
This is the battery that hooks to the tool. Come on. And then we plug it into the wall to charge it. That's how that works. If you've never used Milwaukee before. And we got some cardboard in here to keep things organized during shipping. And here's our drill. Now let's see if there's enough juice in that battery. Nice unit, rubber grips, not too heavy, not too light. The battery is probably just a little bit lighter than the drill itself.
Can I hold it?
Forward, reverse. Looks like 2 speeds.
Not very fast. I could run that fast.
Yeah, I got a slow speed and a high speed. Looks like high torque or something. That's your light that comes on when you pull the trigger. And just one of these deals where you tighten down on your bit and, oh, hear that? Locks your drill bit into place. And that's about it. This is my second. See it lighting up on the wall. This is my second Milwaukee tool. I was thrilled with my first one. My first was a 3/8 impact driver, and it's incredibly strong, and it's got different power settings buttons here, and you can tighten anything from a 10mm bolt, you know, even smaller if you've got the sockets. But you can even tighten your lug nuts on your car and be confident that the wheels are going to stay on the car, because that's just how strong it is. So the next thing in my personal lineup, the tools that I would like are a weed whacker to do the edging outside,
Lawn.
and yes, honey, the lawn, and the 1/2 inch impact, so I don't work that through little 3/8 too hard.
Like
But
that.
yeah, this is about it. Like I said, it is the kit from Home Depot, part number 2606-21P. It was $99 in the shopping cart plus tax. I don't know, 109 or whatever it came to.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, it's a lot of money, but for a tool that is such high quality, I think it's a very good buy. It was like right now it was like 41 or 43% off or something. So hope that helps somebody, and we'll see you later. Have a good one. Be safe.